Hi friends, and welcome back to Lulu Make. Today we are going to create an insect that loves to eat plants, and once it grows up it will change into a beautiful butterfly. This insect starts with the letter C as car. Wait a minute, a car is not an insect. Silly me. Let's try this one more time. This insect starts with the letter C as caterpillar. Today we are going to create a caterpillar craft. Are you ready? Because I am. Before we begin, let's go over what we need. For this craft, we will need a watercolor paper or any white paper you have at home, white paint or any paint of your choice, a paper plate or a piece of paper, an empty toilet paper roll or kitchen roll, watercolors, paintbrush, cup of water, 2 googly eyes, glue, colorful pencils or markers, or you can just use one, green paper, and a pair of scissors. Let's squeeze the paint onto our paper plate. Now dip your paper roll in the paint just like this. Now we are going to create 6 circles by stamping our paper roll onto the watercolor paper. We want the circles to be right next to each other, just like this. Are you ready? This is 1. This first circle is going to be the head of the caterpillar. So let's make the next stem a little bit lower. Remember, the circles need to be touching. This is 2. Let's apply a little bit more paint on our paper roll in between each stem, just to make sure we got enough paint to make the stem. This is 3. Maybe we can even make the next stem a bit higher than the previous stem. This is 4. By making some circles higher and lower, it will look like our caterpillar is moving. This is 5. And 6. Did you make 6 circles too? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Find your watercolors, your cup of water, and a paintbrush because it's time to paint. Before we paint, choose what colors you are going to use. I am going to create a rainbow caterpillar. So I will start with red. You can choose your own colors or you can follow along. Let your creativity shine. Dip your paintbrush into the water to activate your watercolors by touching them gently with your paintbrush. We want to cover the first circle with the color of your choice. Start from the edges and slowly move to the center. If the white paint from the stepping we did earlier gets mixed with your color, it will be even better. At least we can see what happens when we add white into our color palette. Remember to wash your paintbrush in between each paint. Next, I'm going to use the color orange, starting from the edges and going all around until the whole circle is orange. Next comes yellow. Now comes green. And blue. And let's not forget purple. There. Look at this.
Wow!
Let me see yours. Wow, look at those beautiful circles, and I really like the colors you used. Well done, my friends. Now we need to wait for our paint to dry a little bit. Shall we play a game while we wait? Perfect, let's go. Look at this pattern. Red, orange, red, orange, red. What do you think comes next? After red comes orange. Well done, my friends. Let's do one more. Yellow, green, blue. Yellow, green. What do you think comes after the color green? Yellow, green, blue, yellow, green, and let me hear you. Blue! Well done, my friends. You are smart cookies. Perfect. Let's get back to crafting. Next, we are going to draw the antennae. Find your pencil or marker and draw an arched line from top to the bottom. And let's make one more going the opposite way. If you like, you can draw one circle on top of each antenna. If you have googly eyes, squeeze a little bit of glue on the back and press one on the left side and one on the right side. Remember, you can always draw 2 little circles for eyes if you don't have googly eyes at home. Next, we are going to use our pencil or marker to draw 2 cheeks right underneath the googly eyes. And let's not forget a beautiful smile. Now we have one happy caterpillar. Shall we draw legs for our caterpillar? Caterpillars have 6 legs, yet you can draw as many as you like. I'm going to draw 2 legs over here. Just draw a line down and across, down and across. 2 more over here. Line down and across, line down and across. And the last pair of legs over here. The last part is to add a little bit of grass for our caterpillar to munch on. Remember, caterpillars love to eat plants. If you like, you can even draw a leaf for your caterpillar. Use your imagination. Find your green paper and cut one long strip. If you need help, ask the grown-up who is with you today to help you. Now we want to create the grass. To do that, we are going to cut just a little bit on the top. Make sure you are not cutting the whole strip. Just cut halfway. Next, we are going to squeeze a little bit of glue on the bottom back side of our grass. And let's glue it right underneath the caterpillar. Don't cover its whole body. We want to see the beautiful colors and circles you made. There. Look, this is my caterpillar. Wow. Let me see yours. Wow, good job, my friends. Woo. And do you know what time it is? It's time for the wiggle dance. I like to move my arms and then once you are ready, do a big high five. Also, stretch your arms to the side and give yourself a big hug and a tap on the back and say out loud, good job. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and creating with me, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, my friends.